Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how we can use ChatGPT to improve the quality and resolution of any figure. So as you know, most of us have often faced difficulties in improving the quality and resolution of some figures when especially any editor or your supervisor asks to improve the quality. So today I will give you a way using which you can improve the quality and resolution of any figure you have. So in this example, as here you can see, we have one figure and you can see here its text is even blurry and you can see the quality overall is so poor. So I will give this figure to the ChatGPT and I will also show you one prompt, and you can give this prompt to ChatGPT to improve any figure. So just you can simply copy this and you can come back to your ChatGPT. It is better if you are using plus ChatGPT version. And here is one prompt which I have written. You can see this actually figure improvement prompt, and you can see here I have written, I am providing a scientific figure prepared for manuscript. Please improve the overall resolution, clarity, sharpness and visual quality so that it is suitable for publication, and use Arial font size 12. You can also change if you like for all labels, legends, access title, panel, letters and annotation, and please check and correct any spelling mistakes. And here is one thing which we must need to tell ChatGPT, that it should not change, modify, remove or reinterpret the original data, because this is the scientific data and it is not allowed to manipulate any scientific data. So we only ask to just change the overall figure, and even we can ask at the end to save it at 300 or 600 dpi. And if we need to change the color, so we can also ask ChatGPT to change the color. So I have already given my figure to the ChatGPT, so you can see it is uploaded, and now I will just directly upload this and I will just send this prompt to the ChatGPT. So let's see if it can improve the overall quality and resolution of this figure. So you can see now it is considering image enhancements. So let's wait for a few seconds until it creates any better version. So done. Here you see I have enhanced the figure to 600 dpi, improved the sharpness, readability, cleaned the background and preserved the original data, graph structure, label, scales, grayscale, meanings, and I did not find any visible spelling mistake. So here you can see it also has given PNG file, TIFF file and PDF version. So it took almost 3 minutes with this prompt to improve the figure. So let's see how the improved version looks. So here it is ready. So here you see the improved version is ready. Even I can zoom in, so you can see now this figure is very clear, and you can see even the text is now very visible. And if you like, I can give you this prompt in the video description, so you can ask me in the comments, so I will send you back. And if you like, you can also change its color and other features as well according to the requirement. So hope so you like the video. If you have any question related to the use of this, please let me know in comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.